Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and welcome to my dear students who are watching my online class from anywhere, any place of the country, especially Teknapur Tetulia of Bangladesh. Dear students, before going to the class, starting the class, at first I want to introduce myself. I am Sheikh Abu Khair, lecturer in English, DN Aliyah Madrasa, Sharankhula Bagarhat. Dear students, you know well that our world is affected by COVID-19 coronavirus. It is very, very sad news for all of us. You also know that about more than 6 lakh people have already died because of COVID-19 coronavirus and affected more than 1 crore people by COVID-19 coronavirus all over the world. Dear students, I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for those affected people so that they can be cured rapidly and come back to their normal life. Again, lot of thanks and congratulations Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because I and you all are very fine, very well by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Am I clear? Okay, no more talk. Now let's to our class. Dear students, I will discuss such kind of grammatical part that is very important and very easy for you. Actually, you know that this grammar is very, very hard for you. No, don't be nervous. It is very easy. It will be very easy if you practice attentively, listfully and carefully. Am I clear? So, I will discuss this grammar part. Name is transformation. Write down. Transformation. Transformations means changing sentence. You will transformation sentences in question paper with passages, not detached, with passages about any topics. I will discuss this such kind of part of transformation, that is assertive. Assertive to exclamatory. Assertive to exclamatory. Assertive to exclamatory. At first you have to know about assertive sentence. Will you define this sentence? Okay. Thank you. I will help you. Am I clear? Assertive sentence, a sentence is a sentence that makes a statement of assertion is called a declaration or assertive sentence. Am I clear? I will help you with an structure. Write down. Subject plus verb plus others. This structure is the notified symbol of assertive sentence. Am I clear? Exclamatory sentence that expresses strong feeling and emotion is called exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence has two types of emotions, joy, another is sorrow. Joy and sorrow, two emotions are included in exclamatory sentence. Am I clear? Dear students, the identification or notification of the structure of exclamatory sentence, write down how oblique, hot, a oblique and others plus exclamatory point, plus exclamatory point. You know that last of all assertive sentence you will find full stop, that is identified the symbol of assertive sentence. Last of all exclamatory sentence you will find the punctuation exclamatory point. Exclamatory point is notification, identification of the structure of exclamatory sentence. Am I clear? Dear students, now write down the changing sentence, transformation of sentence assertive to exclamatory. Write down. Write down with me carefully. Assertive sentence. I can help you by such kind of structure that is very easy and that helps to make the answer of the question very easily. Subject plus verb plus a oblique and within bracket plus very plus next part of WH. Next part of WH. Clear? Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Write down the structure same. How oblique, hot, a oblique and plus next part of verb oblique very plus subject plus verb plus exclamatory point plus exclamatory point. Before writing the structure, I discussed the two symbol of identification, punctuation, assertive sentence, punctuation, last of all full stop, and exclamatory sentence, last of all exclamatory point. Two punctuations are different. Different places use different meaning. Am I clear? Okay, now write down the example of this sentence changing. He is a very weak person. He is a very weak person. Change into exclamatory. Exclamatory. Number two, how sweetly the cuckoo, C-U-C-K-O-O, cuckoo sings. Change into assertive. Write down. Question number 1, he is a very weak person, change into exclamatory. Number 2, how sweetly the cuckoo sings, change into assertive. Dear students, before making the answer of the questions, I will help you the very important process, the use of how and what an. How and what an. So, at first I will tell the use of what an. Where will you use the word what an or how? Note. When you will get or see a oblique n, look me carefully, a oblique n. So you will be sure 100% the answer will begin by what a oblique n. Am I clear? What a oblique n. If you find article a oblique n in the question, you will make the answer of the question what a oblique n. What a oblique n. If you see the sentence without a oblique n, so you will be sure the answer will be start with how. The answer will start with how. Am I clear? How and what. The how and what. A oblique n, what a oblique n. Without a oblique n, without how. Without a oblique n, how. A oblique n, what a n. Am I clear? It is very easy. Okay. Let's go to make answer. He is a very weak person. He is a very weak person. It is very simple. You have to start the answer by hot. A. According to structure, hot A. Write down hot A plus next part of verb oblique very. Where is very? Next part weak person. The hot A weak person. The hot A weak person plus subject. Where is subject? He. Plus verb is. Plus exclamatory point. Hot a weak person he is. And he is a very weak person. Hot a weak person he is. According to structure, hot a plus next part weak person plus subject he plus verb is plus exclamatory point. Clear? Number 2, how sweetly the cuckoo sings. The example of the answer. Now write down how. What sentence? What sentence? Exclamatory sentence. Change into assertive sentence. So, when you will change the exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence, you have to write down first subject. Subject, according to structure of assertive sentence, subject plus verb. Where is verb? Sings. Subject, the kakku. The subject kakku. Where is verb? Sings. Sorry, sings. The kakku sings plus a oblique n. You know that this sentence has no a oblique n. So you need not to use a oblique n. Am I clear? You need not to a oblique n. তাহলে next part, sweetly. Sweetly, the kakku sings very sweetly. Sorry, very sweetly. The kakku sings very sweetly. How sweetly the kakku sings? Assertive sentence into change into assertive sentence, exclamatory sentence. Now write down the answer according to structure: subject, the kakku, verb sings. A oblique n will not be used here because the question has no a oblique n. Okay. Next, very plus next part of the W is sweetly. The kakku sings very sweetly. Dear students, now you will practice two examples. You will practice two examples. Write down. Number 3. The baby looks very innocent. The baby looks very innocent. Change into exclamatory. Exclamatory. Number 4. What a nice bird it is. Change into assertive. Assertive. Change into assertive. Try to make the question. Try to make the answer of the question. Try. I will help you. Please look at the blackboard. Okay, thank you. I will help you. The baby looks very innocent. At first, you will identify this sentence. What sentence? It is assertive sentence. It is assertive sentence. So, we will make the answer of the questions. Try with me. Write down. Assertive sentence change into exclamatory sentence. At first, we have to go to the structure of exclamatory sentence. Before answering the question, you have to note very carefully where is a oblique n. Where is a oblique n? So, you are looking that there is no a oblique n. There is no a oblique n. So, very easy, very simple. You have to make the answer of the question begins with how. Begins with how. How plus next part of the verb or very, next part verb, after verb, next part innocent. Then how innocent plus subject the baby plus verb looks plus exclamatory point. How innocent the baby looks. How innocent the baby looks. Am I clear? Okay. Number 4. What a nice bird it is. What a nice bird it is. Absolutely, it is exclamatory sentence, because here is this is the identification symbol, punctuation, after verb, last of sentence, exclamatory point. So no doubt it is exclamatory sentence. Okay. The answer of the question number 4, what a nice bird it is. Absolutely, it is exclamatory sentence. So you will look the sentence where is a oblique an. Where is a oblique an? Of course, a oblique an here. So no doubt, no nervous. You have to start the answer of the questions with hot A. With hot A. With hot A. Hot A plus next part of the verb or hot A. Sorry. Hot A na. Assertive. Change into assertive. Thank you. Subject. Where is subject? It is. It. You know that the subject is used before verb. So it is very simple or easy to identify the subject before verb it. Am I clear? Plus verb is plus a oblique an a plus very plus next part of W is hot, next part nice bird. Next part nice bird. It is a very nice bird. Subject it, verb is a very plus next part nice bird. Am I clear? What a nice bird it is? The answer of the questions is it is a very nice bird. It is a very nice bird. Dear students, this is very easy for you, because you have already understood these grammatical topics very carefully and listfully, attentively. Am I clear? So no more today. Finishing my class, I will give you two examples. Write down. Next class I will observe the answer. Okay. Number 1. What an interesting, interesting, what an interesting game football is. Change into assertive. Okay. Number 2, how fast time flies. Assertive. How fast time flies. What an interesting game football is. Assertive. How fast time flies. Change into assertive. Same quality example I will give you. 2 examples are exclamatory sentence. Am I clear? We have to change into assertive sentence. Okay, thank you so much. No more today. Finishing before finishing the class, I want to say something about COVID-19 coronavirus. When you will go out, you must use mask and clean your body and use antiseptic washing liquid and clean your hand washing. Am I clear? So thank you so much. No more today. See you again. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.